Hi guys, today we will do a live trade on risk reversal. The stock that we have chosen is CTSH because it has gone above the Bollinger Band. And as you can see, the top Bollinger Band number is 73.37, 72.32, 71.26. So around 73 is a good number. Now we could have selected it above the Bollinger Band, but there is a problem because whatever your top number is, that will act as your buy number. So if it is 73.50, then it's 50 cent higher than 73. So we have to stay nearer to the Bollinger Band. So we can go either up or down. So we will choose the lower number. However, we won't choose more lower than that number because it will make us nearer to the other Bollinger Bands. We need it to be nearer to the top Bollinger Band. You will go buy. We'll go vertical, we'll go custom. Now we sell a put, here we go, this is the risk reversal. We sell a put and we buy a call. The top is buy call, lower is sell put. For the call, we will select 73. As nearer to the top Bollinger Band. Now it shows if the put is at 72.50, it shows 89 cents net debit. Now this is the numbers that I just put in yesterday and saw the debit numbers, and I just noted them so that today when I will be making the video, I will show it to you. So the top number is current debit is 89 cents. If we reduce it to 72, it increases to 95 cents. Now net debit means you are paying upfront. So always choose nearer number so that the net debit gets reduced. From 95 to 89 is a good number. Now as you can see, I'm changing the lower number but not the higher number. Why? Because as you know, once the price goes above the Bollinger Band, it usually follows suit and goes up, up, up. So our top Bollinger Band number is important and the low one as well. But on the lower side, we are not assuming that the price will fall. And if it will, then our total assumption is wrong. And if our total assumption is wrong, then the lower strike price won't be like our favorable number. So our focus is always on the top number because we are bullish on the stock. Whereas lower strike number acts as a bearish stock number. So we are not really interested in that, and we will use that number to reduce our total cost. Because at the end of the day, our net debit is the total cost max loss. So if we can reduce the max loss, that's the best thing, because if the price goes up, 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 then we are in profit. But if it suddenly falls off, then our basic assumption for entering the trade is wrong. And whenever your assumption is wrong, then that means that's a wrong trade. Even though you could end up in profit if the price suddenly falls and goes below the lower number of 72.50 or 72, whichever you select. But the point is, your assumption is wrong, and whenever in market your assumption is wrong, always remember that's a wrong trade. Even though you could end up in profit, but a wrong trade is a wrong trade. So that's why our focus is on the top number and not on the lower number, because our assumption is bullish, not bearish. So we'll go to trade. Now I'm changing the number to one options contract so that I can show you first how it works. If I hit confirm and send, it shows you that the max loss is 73.39. Cost of trade is 97.45. And max profit is infinite. So if the price stays above 73, we have an infinite profit potential. So that's the most important number. Now I'm changing it to GTC and changing the contract to 10 because I usually trade 10 options contract. And I hit confirm and send. Now let's see how it goes. Thank you. Hi guys, today is Monday end, and as you can see, our stock CTSH, that is Cognizant Tech Solution, has just opened higher but closed lower, and made a spike low. But currently it's outside the Bollinger Band, so we are still bullish. We will sit tight and see how the stock goes and ends on Friday. Thank you. Hi guys, today is early hours of Wednesday, and as you can see, on Tuesday the price went from 73.62, that is its open was 73.62, it went till high of 74.10 and closed at 74, which is 0.48% higher than the previous close. So as you can see, our rate is climbing slowly and gradually. So CTSH, that is Cognizant Tech Solution, is currently not a bad trade, and we will sit through it to see how it goes and expires in the money and makes it a good profit, because basically all these strategies are based on profitability, nothing else. So let's see. Thank you. Hi guys, this is our trade Cognizant Tech Solution, that is symbol CTSH, and as you can see, it has currently closed at 73.60. Now if you look at it for the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days, it has been going like for a straightforward period. However, if you remember our trade, we are currently in profit. So we don't have so much of a concern that what will happen next. We will sit tight and see how the trade goes. Basically, as we are trading like a really close expiry period of 5 days, because we traded on Monday and we chose like Friday expiry date, so we already knew that our profit will be smaller, because the larger the expiry date, the far higher chances of making money. So with a small expiry date, we are already expecting a smaller profit. But if we end up in profit, then it shows that on a shorter expiry period, if you can make money, then on a longer expiry period, you can always make huge sums of money. So that's what's like really important, because at the end of the day, why are we using these strategies? To make money. And if we can make money on the shorter dated expiry, then everyone knows it's an awesome strategy. So we will stick to our guns and see what happens in the next 2 days to make sure that we end up in profit or loss. But we won't be squaring the trade right now. Right now it looks perfect. The Bollinger Band going up, the price going straight, so it can certainly jump up and like make our profit a bit fatter. So let's see. Thank you. Hi guys, today is Thursday end, and our trade in symbol CTSH Cognizant Tech Solution is going smoothly. Today it closed at 74.09, which is its highest ever closing. So it tells us that it is still moving as per our plan and going up. And tomorrow will be the last trading day, so if it expires at like around this level, we will be making a good profit. So we'll sit tight and see how the trade goes, because if tomorrow it like adds in $1, then that $1 will be added to our profits, and that's a brilliant thing. What really matters is the price goes up, up and up, and as you can see, this is a short dated options contract. Still we are managing profits, which shows that our plan works. The best part. Thank you. Hi guys, if you remember our trade on Cognizant Tech Solution, symbol CTSH, today is Friday end and our trade have expired. Now, we traded it at 73 and 72.50, which meant that these top lines and are our lines in trading. Now, why we chose 73? Because if you would have chosen higher, then our profit would have started higher. So always choose the top line accordingly and nearer to the top Bollinger Band, not really further. So 73 was a good number to buy because it was nearer to our higher Bollinger Band, and we change the lower band so that we don't have so much risk, because if the price would have gone lower, then this would have acted as a short sell, this strike price. And as the price was above the Bollinger Band, so this top strike price acted as a buy point. So we knew if it is above 73, then our profits will start to pile up. And therefore, you can see from 73, the price ended at 74.38. So it meant that we made a $1.38 profit. Simply awesome. And after deduction of this 89 cents net debit that we paid upfront, minus 89 cents, we get a 49 cent profit. And as we traded 10 options contract, and one option contract is equal to 100 shares, so 49 cents profit, if you multiply them all, we get a $490 profit with just 1 week of trade. If you would have expanded our strike or expiry date, then the profit could have come up much higher, and our top profit would have increased further. The best part. Thank you.